signing income tax returns using xorkeesign browser extension. After adding the xorkeesign India G2C extension to the browser and registering DSC in xorkee, proceed to the IT portal. Log in to the portal and continue with the default steps until you reach the e-verification page. The emBridge checkbox will be pre-selected by the extension. Your PAN will be displayed on screen. Click Continue. Ensure your DSC token is connected to the PC. Select the available option xorkee in the Provider field and the Signer's Digital Certificate in the Certificate field. The password field will be pre-filled. Click Sign. You will now receive a signing request in your xorkee app. Click Approve on the xorkee notification and enter token password to sign. You have successfully e-verified your IT return using the xorkeesign browser extension. Your consultant or your assistant can file your return in the IT portal using the xorkeesign India G2C browser extension, and the signature request will be sent to your xorkee app. You can sign from wherever you are, even using your Android phone. You may also use your DSC in PF, GST, and in the MCA portals using the same xorkeesign India G2C browser extension. It is a one-stop solution for all your digital signature needs across Government of India portals.